He built machines that spat lightning, dreamed of free power for the planet, and died alone in a hotel room. This is Nikola Tesla, the genius who electrified modern life, then slipped into myth. Welcome to AI Facts by Billy, Facts, powered by AI. Tesla was born in 1856 in Smiljan, in today's Croatia. His father was a priest, his mother crafted clever household tools. Tesla said her ingenuity shaped his own. As a child, he saw flashes of light and vivid images. He learned to turn them into blueprints in his head, building devices mentally, testing them, then creating them almost perfectly. He studied engineering in Graz and Prague, but illness and money troubles derailed his degree. At times he gambled, then swore it off forever. The obsession with electricity never left. In 1882, walking in a park in Budapest, an idea struck: a rotating magnetic field. It became the heart of the induction motor, a rugged, efficient machine that would power industry for a century. Tesla worked for Continental Edison in Paris, then sailed to New York in 1884 with almost nothing but ideas. He soon joined Thomas Edison's shop. Edison pushed direct current for city power. Tesla argued alternating current traveled farther and cheaper. The clash was inevitable. When promises fell through, Tesla walked, broke, but unshaken. Backed by George Westinghouse, Tesla's AC took on Edison's DC. The press called it a war. The prize was the modern world. Chicago's World's Fair lit up with Tesla's AC system, a glowing proof that the future ran on alternating current. Next came Niagara Falls, turbines feeding AC across miles to Buffalo and beyond. For the first time, waterfalls were lighting cities. AC had won. Tesla pursued high voltage, high frequency experiments. The dramatic Tesla coil became his signature. It wasn't just spectacle, it explored wireless transmission and radio principles. He probed X-rays, experimented with radio, and in 1898 stunned crowds with a radio-controlled boat, proof that machines could obey invisible commands. Tesla's boldest plan, Wardenclyffe Tower. He imagined a global wireless system, messages and, one day, power, shared across the earth. When financiers questioned profit, support dried up. The tower halted, later demolished. Tesla's greatest dream, a connected, electrified planet, slipped away. In later years, Tesla cared for injured pigeons in New York. He spoke tenderly of a white pigeon he loved, perhaps the only creature he let close. Stories swirled: earthquake machines, death rays, limitless power. Some were misread experiments, others, ideas he never built. The man became a legend, and the legend blurred the man. He earned honors, including the Edison Medal, yet money ran out. By the 1930s he lived in hotels, surviving on stipends and small consulting. On January 7, 1943, Tesla died alone in the New Yorker hotel, age 86. Authorities secured his papers, feeding decades of mystery. Every wall socket traces back to Tesla's AC vision. Transformers stepped voltage up and down, carrying power to homes, factories, and trains, the circulatory system of civilization. His induction motor spins in appliances, HVAC, factories, even some EV drivetrains. Wireless ideas echo in Qi charging, RFID, and NFC. That 1898 RC boat. Think drones, robots, and smart homes. Tesla didn't just invent devices, he reimagined how energy moves through the world. When the lights come on, when motors turn, when signals fly through the air, that's his future, still arriving. I'm Billy, and this is AI Facts. Subscribe for more brilliant minds who built our world.